Now I'm going to have to talk to you later.
Me? Oh,
Yeah, because my field is chaos theory and approximate inertial manifolds. And you just
Oh, we have
described
to
it.
hang out.
Yeah. That's my math field. Now I'm a college math person.
Yes.
I'm Shandy Hauk. I work at West End in San Francisco. I'm a longtime college math teacher. And I wanted to talk about some of the questions we have about developmental algebra, elementary algebra, basic algebra, and what works for whom when we try to use online tools to help students learn. Dynamic models and static models are the two that are currently being used. Static models like Math and Excel commonly. A dynamic model actually adapts and chooses new items based on how the student answers. And the common ones right now are things like the new version of Khan Academy and Alex. So here's a screenshot of a dynamic model. It's got some tools for students. It's got some motivational features. It gives them a picture of how they're progressing in the environment that they're in. Again, another screenshot from Khan Academy, where inside the task you can get hints. Remember all those Khan Academy videos? This is where they live now, in these hints. And it still has motivational features, and it adapts. So the next time a student does something, they get different things based on what they missed and what they struggled with. There's also a feature, like most other places, of an instructional dashboard, where you can get various slicing and dicing of the data about how students are doing. Of particular interest in the work I'm doing are two things in the current Khan Academy design. The Khan Spaces Mastery Challenges, so that at least 16 hours have to elapse between attempts to test out something in Khan Academy, so students can't binge. So the spaced learning concept in cognitive science is in there. And it's free. Khan is free. So some colleagues and I have decided we're going to investigate Khan Academy. And I work at West End, which is a not-for-profit that has no affiliation whatsoever with Khan Academy. I am perfectly agnostic. Is probably the most kind thing I can say about my feeling about Khan Academy. And so we're doing an independent evaluation. And the U.S. Department of Education, actually, we applied to them for money to do this independent evaluation, and they said, okay. So we're doing a randomized controlled trial in the state of California in community colleges in elementary algebra. The study started a year ago. I was just put in charge of it about 8 weeks ago. So I'm learning all about it now. And right now, in the current year, there are 36 community colleges across California who are participating. And instructors in those community colleges agreed to be randomly assigned last fall to either try Khan Academy in their elementary algebra class in some way, or not. And so this is the design, if you're a fan of statistical design. And the idea is that we get about 4 teachers in each college, and then we hopefully get at least 15 students in each class. And the 2 of the teachers are treatment, 2 of the teachers are control. Treatment means you use Khan Academy. The design of the study, if again you're into this study design, there's a practice semester where instructors practice giving the pre-test and post-test to students. Are you familiar with the MDTP? So we're using their algebra readiness test as the pre-test, and the post-test is the elementary algebra test. And we got MDTP to give our instructors online access to teacher reports for those. So our participating instructors get to see how their students are doing when they come into the class, as well as how they're doing when they leave. Instructors also, the green are things the instructors are going to do, take some surveys. The orange are students. We try to recruit students to take some surveys too. Instructors, it's not a lot of money. There's an honorarium associated with being a participant in the study. If you're a treatment participant, it's $1,000 over the year. If control, it's $800 because treatment has to work a little extra hard to put the Khan Academy into their class. Students get $50 for completing their surveys. And the thing repeats in the spring semester. The practice semester gives everyone a chance to try it out as instructors, and in the spring semester they try it out. We gather a lot of data, and right now we're gathering a lot of data, and we're going to do some analysis on it. But because it's a big study, we have to replicate. So we're going to do it again, starting in fall 2016, in spring 2017. Same idea. But we need to have, and we have 24 of our 36 colleges have said, yes, we want to do it again, and yes, we have enough instructors so that we have new instructors, because we can't use the same instructors. And, but I am here to invite you to see me and consider participating if you teach elementary algebra in this study. If you have any questions, there's an email address. If you're ready to sign up, you can go to that address, or there's a bunch of flyers on the table back there. Oh, I actually ended fast. The next slide shows that there's a flyer. There.